Today I'll show you how to generate full 3D models locally inside ComfyUI using a completely automated workflow. We'll use Qwen for prompt generation, Qwen Image for image creation, and a custom Hunyuan3D 2.1 bridge node I created that automatically converts generated images into real 3D models. This is not just a simple ComfyUI node. It's a bridge between ComfyUI and a separate Hunyuan3D pipeline running in its own Python environment. The idea is simple. Generate an image inside ComfyUI, automatically send it to an external script, and receive model as output. The entire process runs locally. In this video, I'll show two different workflows. The first one is a simple basic workflow where we manually load an image and directly convert it into a 3D model. No automation, no prompt generation, just a simple image to 3D conversion pipeline. This workflow is useful for quickly testing the node, converting existing images into models, or validating the Hunyuan3D installation. Now, let's move to the complete workflow. This is where things become much more interesting. The entire pipeline becomes procedural and mostly automatic. Instead of manually writing detailed prompts, we can simply provide a topic, an object idea, or a category. Qwen automatically generates a detailed image prompt based on what we requested. Then Qwen Image generates the actual image. A second Qwen generation step automatically creates a clean file name for the generated asset. Finally, the image is automatically passed to the Hunyuan3D 2.1 script, which converts it into a full 3D model. The result is a complete local AI pipeline capable of generating procedural assets almost automatically. This workflow was originally designed for procedural game asset generation. For example, storage auction objects, random props, vintage electronics, junk items, tools, broken objects, furniture pieces, and other types of game-ready assets. The system tries to generate varied categories while keeping the generated objects recognizable and visually clean. The generated images are optimized for simplified game-style geometry and better 3D conversion results. One important thing to mention is memory usage. This setup can become very heavy because ComfyUI, Qwen Image, and Hunyuan3D may all use GPU memory and system RAM at the same time. If Linux kills the process and you see the message killed, this usually means the system ran out of available RAM or swap memory. Increasing system swap can significantly improve stability when running heavy workflows like this one. Using separate environments for ComfyUI and Hunyuan3D 2.1 is also strongly recommended because it keeps the setup cleaner and avoids dependency conflicts. The final result is a fully local workflow capable of generating prompts, generating images, creating file names, and converting everything into actual 3D models automatically inside ComfyUI. The repositories for both the main Z3V Image-to-3D project and the ComfyUI bridge node are available in the description if you want to test the pipeline yourself. I'd also like to announce that I just launched a website where I'll be showcasing all my work and workflows, complete with guides and download links in one clean, easy-to-navigate post. It's still a work in progress, but I'll keep it updated with new work. If you'd like, you can start checking it out and let me know what feedback you have. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.